Howdy, everyone. Howdy, Steve. Howdy, Myrika.
Howdy.
Howdy.
Welcome to this week's installment of MPMA TV. As you can tell, we are State Fair focused and getting ready for Minnesota Manufactured Day at the State Fair on Saturday, August 30th. Steve and Myrika are going to help run us through all the things we need to know about Minnesota Manufactured Day. So without further ado, let's get ready. Okay, first of all, Myrika, why are we doing Minnesota Manufactured Day at the State Fair this year?
We are doing Minnesota Manufactured Day at the State Fair this year to continue to bring awareness to this amazing industry within our state. And what better place when everyone from the state gathers to eat all of the food and do all of the fun things, and you can come see us and eat a pronto pup and learn about robots and med devices. And so it's a fun way to engage with our community and reach a lot of people in one day. And it's supposed to be a record-setting day this Saturday. So,
Yes, it is. That all sounds pretty fantastic. Who doesn't like a pronto pup? Just saw that they sell $1.5 million worth of pronto pups at the state fair. All right, so Steve, now we know why we're doing it. What do we hope to become of our Minnesota Manufactured Day at the state fair?
Well, as Marika mentioned, the outreach and awareness is a huge part of it, but then our goal is to kind of help people take next steps too. So it's not just making sure people are more aware of the cool things going on in and around manufacturing, but also help people figure out what they can do to be a part of it. So obviously, a lot of times we come across job seekers, people that are looking to find next steps in their career path, and then of course, kids, parents, teachers, everyone just trying to help them figure out, what careers in manufacturing look like and what next steps could look like for them.
Right. So that kind of leads into who should stop by our tent. You just kind of alluded to that, but is there an age limit or anything?
I think if you can crawl, you could be doing activities in our tent, and if well, on both sides, I guess, of the equation. So, yeah, everyone and some people just come for the fun and for the giveaways. Some people maybe learn more about manufacturing. So, really, everyone is welcome, and everyone can find an activity to get engaged.
Okay, that sounds good. Okay, speaking of activities, Myrika, what do you have for us? What's going to be taking place in our tent?
yeah, a couple of the activities that we have a few different stations this year. One of which is our Save a Life station. So it's working with a med device. Our great sponsors of that station, Metalcraft, will have staff present. So young folks, older folks, anyone can go and experience what it's like to see these really cool pieces of equipment and how you could use it in essentially a surgery, right, to save
Cool.
a life.
Very cool.
We also have our VR station. So it's that take a walk through a shop. It's going to be much more detailed this year. We did have a smaller version last year, but much more in depth this year. So you'll really get to see what that hands-on experience is walking through a facility. And then we also have a gigantic 3D printing station, thanks to Stratasys, again, partnering on that station. And so they will be creating something 3D printed. We don't quite know what that is yet. They haven't given us the files, so it's kind of top secret.
Oh, yeah. Gotta have a little
So
anticipation, a little suspense.
yeah, so very excited. And Steve, you can share some of the other activities.
Yeah.
So
What do you have for us, Steve?
the big giant Ferris wheel we got at the fair, right?
Myrika knows it. She's right by it
Yeah,
right
it kind of
now.
looks like that one. Yeah. So our tent is going to be just a little bit better than that as far as level of activity and excitement and things you can see and do. So,
Wow.
but yeah, the ones Marika mentioned, we've got robots, we've got backflipping robots, we've got live music, we've got Make Publishing is going to be with us doing kids STEM activities, including some kids book readings about careers in manufacturing. Of course, the swag. We got lots of swag. So custom dog tags, so kids can or any ages can get dog tags, or a keychain, if you want to call it that, customized with your name on it. And yes, of course, cowboy hats. So you need, yes, and of course, we've got t-shirts, but yeah, come get the swag and the fun stuff. We're going to have lots of people running around the fair with Minnesota manufactured stuff on and celebrating the great careers in manufacturing.
I'm super excited for this. There's a lot of really great stuff happening. Obviously, we could go on and on about it. The cowboy hats, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to do a backflip to get your free cowboy hat, right? And we want everyone who comes to the fair on Saturday August 30th from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. to be Minnesota manufactured, wearing their foam cowboy hat. We have thousands of them, so everyone can get one. What else do you think we should tell everybody? The weather is going to be gorgeous.
Yeah,
Yes, it's
just
going to be a
come and
perfect day,
check us
beautiful
out.
out.
It's a perfect day.
Yes.
It's
Yes.
gonna be
I was
great.
there yesterday actually, and there's some cool new food. The fair was awesome as ever. Lots of great activities. So everyone needs to come out to the fair this year, and of course on August 30th.
All right, you heard it there. We need everyone at the State Fair on Saturday for Minnesota Manufactured Day. Let's get all of these jobs that are open in our great state filled. Bye, everybody. See you at the fair.
See you at
See
the
you there.
fair.